Yes, the thunderstorms are still here. We've been getting lots and lots of rain, but we've had about a week of reprieve with a little bit of showers in between. What we're looking at here is the center channel, really, that gets dug out by all the rainwater that runs my property. All the rainwater from up there comes down this channel. I've been getting it to funnel into this area, but mostly it runs down here into a channel, which makes me an awesome mud pit for my show, which is great. But the problem is all the soil keeps running down here. And you'll see yesterday I was doing a little bit of digging, but it was pretty soft. And you can see over here, it's still extremely soft. So I'm gonna do a little bit more today because I know the rain is still coming. And I'd like to get this all emptied out and put all the soil back up there before it all needs to run back down again. I'm gonna use my skid steer, full-size skid steer. I've been doing recent videos of it. I just got it. It's a Cat 242D with a Torc Robotics remote task setup. Now, a lot of the questions on the previous videos to me have been, you know, can you get inside and still operate it? And the answer is, yeah, of course. It's a full scale, it's not a model or anything like that. Let's get in here. Ta-da! Pretty warm in the cab right now. Check it out, here's the key. We'll close the door. The safety bar is now these two arms that come down. Open up the windows to get rid of the echo. Computer setup, you can't see it yet, but you will in a moment. Beep. Very nice. There it is. Digital readout of everything that you have. Temperature gauge, fuel gauge, hours run, the radio's on. There you go. So the reason I'm in here right now is to unclip the forks that I have on, which I'm gonna do with this button here because it has an electronic uncoupler. So let's see here. Can't really see it, but it just released. And my warm-up is done. Up to the throttle. Now, since this is RC Adventures, let's flip over and do it from outside the cab. Let me just show you, there's no one inside. You know, for people that have been following the show, you're already familiar with all of this stuff, but I will leave a few links in the video description box down below for people that want to check out more videos I've done with this giant machine. Made for people that, you know, need to go into dangerous areas, or folks that are injured that want to go back to work, or for folks like me that just want to expand their operating knowledge, you know, getting a different perspective outside the machine. Enough talk. Let's get this thing going. All right. Check it out. Nice and flat and smooth, and just as quick as if I was actually in it. Great throttle control. Now I have to, you can still see water at the end there. So all of this is much better. All of this is dug out now, all ready to be packed down and baked by the sun for the next few hours. I'll do it again tomorrow and hopefully get a little bit further in, and finally the channel will be complete, unless it starts to open up and rain tonight like the forecast says. But blue sky, wispy sky, clouds all around. There's some darker clouds right there. Just amazing out on the prairies. Anyway guys, hopefully you are still inspired each day to have fun with the RC hobby, because that's what this hobby is all about, is getting outside and enjoying the sun with whatever RC you have. Big or small, you can have fun with them all. Anyway guys, until next time, thanks for tuning in to RC Adventures, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye.